Go home happy with the 2023 Acura MDX. Best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Spaciousness, does-it-all vehicle. Designed to fit your lifestyle with style. Designed to surpass expectations. Superior handling. Powerful, high performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, premium sound system, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio. Experience the superior handling of this high-performance luxury SUV. Make an appointment to drive one today.